Hey there, trivia lovers. Are you ready to put your knowledge to the test and have a blast while doing it? Ever thought about turning your random facts into cold, hard cash? Imagine getting rewarded for knowing those quirky bits of information you've picked up over the years. Well, let me introduce you to Play and Win. This is not just any trivia app, it's your gateway to fun, excitement, and real rewards. It's a free app available on both iOS and Android that lets you flex your brain muscles and compete for awesome prizes. Whether you're on the go or relaxing at home, you can dive into the world of trivia anytime, anywhere. Imagine this: thousands of questions covering everything from technology, sports, culture, movies, history, games, and general knowledge. There's a category for everyone, no matter what your interests are. And the best part, you're not just playing for fun, you're playing to win big. Imagine the thrill of seeing your name climb up the leaderboard and knowing that cash prizes are within your reach. You're playing to win big. So how does it work? It's simple. Answer trivia questions correctly and as fast as you can to rack up points. The faster and more accurate you are, the more points you earn. The more points you get, the higher your chances of winning cash prizes. It's a race against the clock and your fellow trivia enthusiasts. It's all about speed and accuracy. Think you've got what it takes, but hold on, there's more. You're not just competing against a few people. You're up against millions of players worldwide. That's right, millions. It's a global showdown to see who's got the sharpest mind. And here's another cool feature. Invite your friends to join the fun and you get rewarded. The more friends you bring in, the more benefits you unlock. It's like building your trivia dream team. Who wouldn't want to be the trivia kingpin among their friends, right? Now, if you're someone who loves a good challenge, then Play and Win is your playground. It brings the excitement of a game show right to your fingertips. Who doesn't love a little competition, especially when there's cash on the line? So, whether you're a history buff, a sports fanatic, a movie maniac, or just someone who loves general knowledge, there's something for everyone. And the questions never get old. They're constantly updated to keep you on your toes. Ready to take the plunge? Download, Play, and Win now, and start your journey to becoming the ultimate trivia master. Remember, the more you play, the better you get, and the closer you are to those sweet, sweet prizes. Don't just play trivia, play to win. Head to the App Store or Google Play, download Play and Win, and let the games begin. Happy quizzing, and may the best brain win. Get ready to challenge yourself, have fun, and win big. Good luck. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos like this one.